Welcome to Medway Townist. Today we'll be going on Hmmsim as part of the route learning series. We're going to start off with Seoul Metro Line 2 in the Melco Chopper from Hmmsim2 to Sammy-song. On the way we will be passing through aspect signals and other AI as well as stopping at all stations. About 5 seconds before departure, close the door, that way you will make sure you depart on time, every time. Now I'm preparing to close the doors. As it reaches 5 seconds before departure, you hit the door, release the brake, and stick her into step 2's acceleration. The speed limit is 45 kilometers an hour. And we have approximately just over a kilometre until our next stop. Keeping it into step 4, but then pulling her back down to just step 1 as we approach the 45. At the signal here ahead, I know that it is a kilometre until the next station, and that the speed limit also goes up to 60. Just here as we approach this corner, we come onto the final straight on the approach to Konkuk University Station. As I pass this signal, I'm going to stick it into step 1 on our approach into Konkuk University.
이번 역은 7호선 열차로 갈아탈 수 있는 건대입구역입니다. 내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다. This stop is Konkuk University.
You can see here how I'm feathering with my brakes to make sure that I stop at the correct point on the platform. We have about 1.5 kilometres until the next station, where there will be a long distance between the next station and the station after that, a distance of around 2 kilometres I believe. At this point we're about 5 kilometres before we go underground. Speed limit here drops to 50 on the approach to the next station. We have about 3 signals before we enter the station. We've just passed one. There's one here on just before we enter the corner, and one as we exit. Now here you can't see the signal on the end of the station, so it's a good idea to drop the speed down just slightly on the approach to the station.
이번 역은 9위 광진구청역입니다. 내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다. This stop is 9위 광진구 office.
This is quite a nice platform.
The doors are on your right.
just under a kilometre to the next station. The station is around 400 metres past this corner. There is a signal on the exit of this corner right here, and there is also another one just a little further round on the approach to the station. There's also one more final signal here at the entrance to the station.
이번 역은 강변, 동서울 터미널역입니다. 내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다. This stop is 강변, Dongseoul Bus Terminal. The doors are on your right.
So between here and the next station there's around 2 kilometres, and then the line dives underground and stays that way until Hmmsim2. Speed limit rises to 80 around the next signal. Just here that I will start breaking down to about 45 kilometres an hour on the approach to the station.
이번 역은 잠실나루역입니다. 내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다. This stop is 잠실나루. The doors are on your right.
We have a little under half a kilometre until we dive underground, and then it's about a kilometre from here to the next station.
다음 역은 잠실,
As we pass this
송파구청역입니다.
signal, we
내리실
go onto
문은
the
오른쪽입니다.
gradient down into the tunnel. It's about 1 in 5.
이번 역은 8호선 열차로 갈아탈 수 있는 잠실 통파구청역입니다. 내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다.
This stop is Jamsil, Songpagu Office. The doors are on your right. You can transfer to line number 8.
Now underground, driving tactics should change slightly. You should always put it into step 4 acceleration on departure, and should make sure that you're ready with the brakes on the approach to the station. We have around a kilometre from here in the next stop. Here the tracks stay double, but there are sections on the line where they go into single tracks.
이번 역은 신천역입니다. 내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다.
This stop is Sinchon, Sinchon. The doors are on your right.
There, as you can see, you can enter a station at about 70 miles an hour and stop by the marker. It's really effective underground because it means you can spend more time in the stations and passengers to board easier. Now as it approaches 45, we will close the doors so we are ready to depart. With about a kilometre to the next station, we can go full up to line speed of 80 kilometres an hour. The speed limit drops around here to 70, so make sure you watch out for that.
역입니다. 내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다.
This stop is Sports Complex. Sports Complex. The doors are on your right.
We have here in the station at Sports Complex a 80 limit. We're now closing the doors, ready to depart. The next station is our terminus. So in around a kilometre we will be arriving, so in about 800 metres we need to slow down to around 25 kilometres an hour when we approach to our terminus. Get around 60 coming through this section here. Here I'm going to start braking down to about 45 miles an hour, about 45 kilometers. Now I'll be slowing down to the 25.
이번 역은 우리 열차의 종착역인 삼성 무역센터역입니다. 내리실 때에는 차 안에 두고 내리는 물건이 없는지 다시 한번 살펴보시기 바랍니다.
This stop is Samsung, World Trade Center, Seoul. The last station. Please make sure you have all your belongings with you when you leave the train.
This is the last station on the line, so we will have to shunt into the depot after this, but I will do that once we are ready to depart the station. We may be slightly late on the arrival to, pardon me, sorry about that. We might be slightly late on the arrival to Hmmsim2, but that's not to worry. It is only the last station on the line. When you feel this is ready, close the doors. Release the brake to 1. Briefly have a peek to see if the siding is clear, and then put into step 1 to 25 kilometers an hour. I'm going to stick it around 23 so as I'm not to break the speed limit. It is very hard to see the stop car marker as you enter this, so you have to watch the floor. You can see just on the floor ahead is where the 10 car marker is. There we have completed. If we look here, we called at Seong-su, Konkuk University, Gui, Gangwon, Jamalasu, Jamsil, Sincheon, Sports Complex, Hmmsim2, and then the depot. That has been our video for today. Thank you for joining us. We have been Midway Townist.